Renew your bedroom with this Tonja Wood Platform Bed by Zinus. Wood finished headboard and frame with metal interior frame support. Strong, reliable wood slat support for your spring. Memory foam or hybrid mattress. Ships in one carton for easy assembly. No box spring is needed. This Zinus Tonja Wood Platform Bed offers strong, reliable support for your mattress and looks great in dreamland. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Naturally stylish cozy comfort. Overflowing with rustic charm, the Tonja Wood Platform Bed frame makes a perfect companion for your favorite mattress. Its natural wood details give your room a major style bump and a classic homey feel. Number 2. Natural wood finish. Made from real wood, not MDF, Tonja's headboard features natural wood details to give your bedroom the rustic feel of your dreams. Number 3. Easy assembly. We keep things simple by packing the whole bed frame into one convenient box. All of the parts, tools, and instructions you'll need for assembly are included so you can start enjoying your new bed in minutes, not hours. Number 4. No box spring needed. A foundation of wooden slats provides all the support your foam, spring, or hybrid mattress needs without a box spring. 2.48 inches king and queen beds, 2.99 inches full and twin. Number 5. Durable frame. Featuring a real wood frame with interior steel supports, Tonja offers the durable support you and your mattress need. Number 6. Updated styling with strong wood slat mattress support. Number 7. Easy to assemble and no box spring needed mattress sold separately. Number 8. Wood headboard and frame with metal interior support. Number 9. Non-slip tape on the wooden slats prevents your mattress from moving. Number 10. Worry-free 5 years limited warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.